Good morning students. I hope that you are all fine. In this video, I am going to give you a practical demonstration how to write program based on conditional statement in Python. So let's move toward the list of the programs we are going to make in this session. Now our first program is write a program to input three numbers and find out the largest number. Open Python software. Click on option file, choose option new file, input three numbers. Enter second number. C equal to int, input, enter third number. So first we have to enter the three numbers. If A equal to B and B equal to C and C equal to A, colon, print all three numbers are equal. Else A greater than equal to B and A greater than equal to C, colon, print the largest number is A. And if B greater than A and B greater than C, the largest number is B. Similarly, C greater than A and C greater than B, the largest number is C. Save your file. Click on option run, done module. Run module. Enter first number 12, enter second number 34, enter third number 2. The largest number is 34. Again, if you put, again run this program, if you put all the three values same, then you will get answer all three numbers are equal. Now, our second program is write a program in Python to input a number and check whether the entered number is even or odd. File, new file, A equal to int, input, enter any number. If A percent 2 equal to 0, if you divide any number by 2, you will get 0 in remainder. Here, percent operator is called modulus operator and it is used to calculating remainder. Whenever you divide any number by 2, you will get 0 in remainder. Such numbers are called even numbers. Save your file. Click at option run module. If you enter 4, your output will be even number. Again run module. If you enter 5, then output will be odd number. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.